Welcome to my Advanced Database Management System course. In this section, we discuss about replication and clustering, types of replication, benefits of replication, types of clustering, benefits of clustering. Let's enjoy. Replication and clustering are two common techniques used in database systems to improve availability, fault tolerance, and performance. While both approaches aim to enhance system reliability and scalability, they have distinct implementations and use cases. Replication. Definition. Replication involves creating and maintaining multiple copies of the same data across multiple servers or nodes. These copies, known as replicas, are synchronized to ensure consistency and can be used for read operations to distribute the query load. Types of replication. Master-slave replication. In this setup, one database server acts as the master, handling both read and write operations. Replicas, or slaves, replicate data from the master and serve read-only queries. Write operations are forwarded to the master. Master-master replication. In this configuration, multiple database servers act as both master and slave, allowing read and write operations on any node. Benefits of replication. High availability. Replication provides redundancy by maintaining multiple copies of data. If one server fails, clients can switch to another replica, ensuring continuous service availability. Fault tolerance. Replication improves fault tolerance by ensuring that data remains accessible even if one or more servers fail. Load balancing. Read-heavy workloads can be distributed among replicas, reducing the query load. Clustering. Clustering involves grouping multiple database servers together to work as a single logical unit. Clustered servers share resources, such as storage and memory, and collaborate to handle client requests. Types of clustering. Failover clustering. In failover clustering, multiple servers are grouped together to provide high availability. If one server fails, another server in the cluster automatically takes over its workload without interruption. Load balancing clustering. Load balancing clustering distributes client requests among multiple servers in the cluster, ensuring optimal resource utilization and performance. Shared nothing clustering. In shared nothing clustering, each server in the cluster operates independently and has its own resources, such as storage and memory. Servers communicate with each other to coordinate tasks and share information. Benefits of clustering. High availability. Clustering provides high availability by ensuring that services remain accessible even if individual servers fail. Failover mechanisms automatically redirect client requests to healthy servers. Scalability. Clustering allows for horizontal scalability by adding more servers to the cluster to handle increased workload demand. Load balancing. Load balancing distributes client requests evenly across servers, preventing overloading of individual servers and improving overall system performance. Comparison. Replication focuses on data redundancy and read scalability, suitable for read-heavy workloads and improving fault tolerance. Asynchronous replication may introduce replication lag. Clustering focuses on high availability and workload distribution, suitable for ensuring continuous service availability and improving overall system scalability. Requires coordination and management of cluster resources and communication. In summary, replication and clustering are complementary techniques used to improve the availability, fault tolerance, and performance of database systems. Replication provides redundancy and read scalability, while clustering ensures high availability and workload distribution. The choice between replication and clustering depends on the specific requirements of the application, including workload characteristics, fault tolerance objectives, and scalability needs. Thanks for watching the Advanced Database Management System lesson. Hope you enjoy the lesson. To learn more about Database Management System, please check the next lesson. Never stop learning. Thanks once again to enjoy the lesson.